Good morning. Hello. Hello. Earth to the people. Oh, girl, didn't even wash your face. Did I? No. I'm doing something that I've never done before, and that's put down vinyl flooring. So I bought this flooring in May, and today is October 8th of 2022. June, July. Girl, half a year. That's crazy. Anyways, there's the flooring right there. So I've been putting it off. I'm really digging deep into why I do the things that I do. I've been putting myself in a position to learn and to challenge myself and to not see things as hard, just to see them as a challenge. So I am challenging myself today to get rid of this nasty flooring and put down this vinyl flooring by myself. Wish me luck. If you're new here, hi, I'm kind of new here too. I started on YouTube back in 2016. Then I fell off and I was doing hair stuff and I was doing a natural hair journey and I just got sick of doing my hair. So I was like, oh, there's no point in having a YouTube because my life is boring. I didn't have no identity then. I was married to my high school sweetheart. That following year, actually, we separated. We've been separated for 5 years now, I think. I just put divorce papers in the mail, actually, September 1st, I did that. I held myself accountable and I did what I had to do. We ain't been together since 2017. What are we doing here? I'm just making up for lost time these days. And the floor, I keep looking at my floor in the spare bedroom. It's gross. Why are you keeping it like this, Charlene? You have the tools. Now apply. So that's what I'm doing on this Saturday. It's so nice out too. But it's not about what I want to do. It's about what needs to be done. This floor need to be done. So let's go. This is what we're working with right now. It looks better than the carpet. This is what was underneath the carpet. It's very soft. I don't know what the material is called, but this is great. We have taken out the carpet officially. I have nails here, so that's gonna keep my flooring secure. There is specific vinyl flooring tape and specific vinyl flooring glue that you can purchase, but I don't feel like leaving the house and I forgot that I purchased this. This is rug tape. I'm gonna use this to install my flooring. thinking about building a YouTube, creating your own YouTube, just do it. Regret is the biggest pain I feel. You have the time to do something and you don't do it. It puts a burden on you, and why not do it? Dig deep into why you're not doing what you're doing. Literally sit with yourself. Why am I afraid? What is the worst that can happen? Is this life-threatening? And what am I doing this for? I want to do this to show people that it can be done and to prove to myself that I can do things that I've never done before. I love that. That's how you build character. That's how you build confidence. That's how you build self-esteem. And that's how you just move forward, just doing. You don't have to burn yourself out. Look, it took me 6 months to act on this. You don't have to burn yourself out, but you owe it to yourself to try things that you've never done before. And practice is progress. Practice is progress. Don't focus on being perfect. Nobody's perfect. And you should stop following people who pretend to be perfect, because they really kill your self-esteem. That being said, this really helps me with my confidence because I like how I sound with it. I'm going to put the link in the bio if you do want a microphone, because why not? I think it'll help with your confidence.
Self-esteem, she like hitting for me. She like